probably temper. I will be careful with the use of language. But the question, I like it because I know as a lawyer, and your experience is very vast in this area, you have critically criticized this issue of constitution amendment. What is the best way, in your view, to fix it?
We cannot amend the constitution we don't make. Shehu, get this down clear. Those who of us are talking about people from it, what do we say? We say this constitution is a fraud. Let them dispute that. Let Malami say that. We say it is not our constitution. That's where you begin from. Is the constitution our own? When we say we, the people of Federal Republic, did we make the constitution? Are we federal? Did we make the constitution? False. Are we federal? False. It was imposed on us by the military. That's a fact. And I said earlier, if the man loves the country, it is what the military came that you impose this constitution. And the people are now saying, when you are now sending us back to civilian regime, send us back to the constitution where you met us. And it is significant. You must know this, and I continue to repeat it. That is where you should address yourself. Why should President Buhari find it difficult when we say go back to the constitution of our founding fathers, the constitution made by Saudana, the constitution made by Nnamdi Azikiwe, the constitution made by Jaffe Awolowo? What is the problem there? If you say you don't understand what is restructuring, I say that is restructuring. He has not answered it. And Shehu Sani and Badeshino will not address that. They now come and tell you fake news. Address the issue. That's what I'm saying. When you say what is going on, because the people are still talking.
I wanted to know.
Dialogue is the institution.
Okay, so because I mean you're tending towards an overhaul of the constitution, but does the present ground norm envisage such a scenario, or how exactly, in the view of the legal framework we currently operate, can we maneuver to a process of overhauling the present constitution?
That is where you all make a mistake. Don't allow the president to change the narrative. What is the ground norm? We say we don't know the ground norm. The ground norm is false, not our own. The ground norm you can only bind us to is the 1963 Constitution. Can you deny the fact that it was the military that imposed it? Absalom confirms it. That is the issue. Don't divert it. Whenever you direct us to this Constitution and to the National Assembly, which is a problem by itself, which is a beneficiary of this false constitution. This assembly is created by this false constitution, which you say we don't know. Are you now forcing it on us? Those are the issues you address to. Don't go along to say the president wants to do this. The question is clear, except to somebody who doesn't want to act. We say this constitution is not our own. Let him deny that. Let Malami come and tell us it's our own. Where did we make it? Let Malami tell us this is a federal constitution under where you are going. Those are the issues. Until you address yourself to the issues and not allow yourself to be diverted by the Asoro legal men, then we know where we are going.